I have a limited number of emotions now?
Oh my god.
Don't even think about touching them, Mom. They're mine.
As long as you're under 18, I'm the one who chooses what you do with them. Guys, apparently someone has a limited number of emotions.
What? Who? I do.
Devin, I recommend you avoid sharing them. The system doesn't like it and will delete all your emotions. Dude, can I have a pen?
Are you serious right now?
Huh?
My mom, she's taking all my emotions.
Have you heard that your brother just bought a Lambo?
Mom, this is BS. You can't be taking my emotions without asking.
Aw, leave the house then.
You know what? I will.
You have 2 years left before turning 18, and I'll take as many as I want. Welcome to the police station. How can I help you?
It's my mother. She keeps on taking all my emotions, but they can get eliminated at any time.
Bruh, you have unlimited. We'll be charging you with a small fee for a fake report. Didn't the police help you?
No, Eric.
What about Katie? Have you told her anything?
Nah, the last time I saw her was at the party.
Where do you think you're going?
I'm leaving for good.
I raised you as my son, not a disrespectful creature. Yeah, and she's not even your real mom. Fine, before you go, let me just take something.
No.